How to use Activity app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Fitness app on your phone. You will then be taken to the summary page. On this page, you can view your fitness summary such as the activity ring, step count, step distance and more. From here, go to Activity Ring. Rings help to track and motivate users towards daily activity goals: a move ring for active calories burned, an exercise ring for minutes of brisk activity, and a stand ring for hours spent standing and moving. Then, go to Step Count. Step count is the number of steps you take throughout the day. After that, go to the bottom panel and tap on Fitness Plus. You can explore the different types of activities and workouts from here. Then, go to Workout, which helps to track your workouts such as outdoor walk, outdoor run, and more. After that, go to Sharing at the bottom right corner. From here, you can invite friends to share activity and support, challenge and cheer each other on. Following these steps, you can easily use Activity app on iPhone.